Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious guacamole salsa. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 3 ripe avocados, 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno, and 1 ripe tomato. Don't forget a handful of fresh cilantro, the juice of 1 or 2 limes, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Having everything prepped and ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple combination creates a vibrant and flavorful dip. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the avocados. Choose avocados that are perfectly ripe, giving just a little when squeezed gently. Cut them in half, remove the pit, and scoop the vibrant green flesh into a bowl. Using a fork, mash the avocado to your preferred texture. Some like it chunky, others prefer it smoother. This step is crucial for the base of our amazing salsa, ensuring a creamy foundation for all the other fresh flavors we will add. With our mashed avocado ready, it's time to introduce the other fresh components. Finely dice 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno, removing seeds for less heat if desired, and 1 ripe tomato. Chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Add all these vibrant ingredients to your mashed avocado. Next, squeeze in the fresh juice from 1 or 2 limes. The lime juice not only adds a zesty flavor, but also helps keep the guacamole salsa from browning too quickly. For the grand finale, let's season our guacamole salsa to perfection. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Stir everything together gently until all the ingredients are well combined. Always taste your salsa and adjust the seasoning as needed. A little more lime or salt can make a big difference. Serve your freshly made guacamole salsa immediately with crispy tortilla chips, or as a delicious accompaniment to tacos, burritos, or grilled meats. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.